Hello everyone, I'm Carlo and I've been living with diabetes for 13 years now. Alam niyo, after countless painful finger pricks, logbooks, and worries, I finally found something that truly changed the way I manage my sugar levels. Ito yung OTAI Continuous Glucose Monitoring System. So ito siya, the box comes with the OTAI device containing the applicator, a patch, and manual. Sobrang simple and clean packaging. You will also get a quick guide that makes setup super easy. Now let's see how it's applied. You just clean your skin, place the applicator like this, and there, it's done. No pain, no hassle. The sensor connects to the OTAI app on your phone so you can see your glucose levels anytime, anywhere. Before, I had to prick my finger several times a day, at work, even during meetings. Minsan nakakalimutan ko pa. But with OTAI, I get real-time readings and trend alerts right on my phone. I can check my sugar before meals, after workouts, or whenever I feel off without stopping my day. It's so easy to use and the data is always accessible. That's what I love most. Nakikita ko yung patterns, so I understand my body better and make smarter choices every day. It really gives me peace of mind. I even tested it side by side with the traditional pricking method, and guess what? The readings match almost perfectly. That's how reliable OTAI is. If you're managing diabetes like me, I really encourage you to try OTAI. It made my daily routine lighter and my life a lot easier. Kung gusto niyo mag-order ay ilalagay ko ang link sa description. Use the code CYCLE at checkout to get an extra 5% discount. Take control of your health because with OTAI, monitoring your sugar is finally simple, smart, and stress-free.